Hi, it's Dr. Darcie Weglo from Creekside Dynamic Health again, and this time I want to show you some openers for the upper back because we all tend to get really slouched and stiff through our upper back, which affects our necks and shoulders as well. So just some good chest openers that we want to work on today. So I'm going to be working against the wall for my chest openers here, and I like to be on my yoga mat to keep, to give me some grip as well as to keep my knee nice and cushioned. So for this one, I'm going to get my hip. I'm going to be in, what's called a tall kneeling position, and I'm going to have my one hip closest to the wall and my knee touching the wall. And for this, I really want to make sure that my hip and shoulder on that same side stay as close to the wall as possible, and I'm really lifting up through the waist, so I'm really engaging my core through this. So the first one is just the mobility piece, so I'm going to have both arms out in front of me, and I've given this to a lot of patients and they love it. So back of the hand against the wall, really reaching out with those fingertips as far as you can. Then I bring my other hand to try to meet that palm. Deep breath, and I'm going to trace those fingers across the chest and just try to get that upper back open. So my goal is to keep this knee pressed against the wall so I don't rotate my pelvis to come with me. So again, reaching forward, trace across, really tall, use the arms to look back, try to touch the fingertips, shoulders down, reaching fingers opposite. 5 deep breaths. And then slowly come back. Another great one that I add after that is back to the same start position, keeping that front knee pushed against the wall. Now my inside hand is going to trace up at the top, flip, turn it towards the wall. So then again, reaching in opposition with my fingertips. 5 deep breaths there. And then you would repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to do similar motions with a band just to add some more resistance. So I'm going to anchor that front hand again, but this time I've wrapped the band around one time there. I really have to work this time to push my knee and hip against the wall and really try to brace that front hand against the wall as well. And then I'm just going to take what I think is going to be a good resistance in that band, and I'm going to work on just rotating around this way. So this time we're adding resistance to this motion, and again, I'm really trying to get my fingertips as far apart as possible. Good. Take 5 deep breaths if you can, pushing your hands into the wall, and then coming back out of it.